Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing the Casio Edifice watch model EFV-130D-2AVUEF. Let's get started. Casio Edifice watches originated from Casio's commitment to merging advanced technology with contemporary design. The Edifice line, introduced in 1983, aimed to create timepieces that blend style and functionality. Over the years, Casio has continually innovated, incorporating features like chronographs, solar power, and smart connectivity into Edifice watches. The brand's evolution reflects a dedication to crafting modern, reliable timepieces that appeal to individuals seeking both fashion and performance in a watch. The watch's crown is a screw-in type. To use the crown, you first need to rotate it towards you to loosen it. This model has a date function, and tough mineral glass resists scratching. A luminous coating provides long-term illumination in the dark after only a short exposure to light. Tough, durable and elegant, the solid stainless steel case and bracelet gives your watch that high-quality, classic feel. A simple mechanism for opening and closing the watch bracelet. The screw connection on the base of the housing optimally protects the inner workings of the watch and simultaneously provides easy access, when changing the battery for example. How do you like this watch, and how would you rate it from 1 to 10? This watch has stopped working. I need to replace the battery. If you're interested in how to change the battery, keep watching. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.